Here is how to create a group on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First open WhatsApp on your phone and then click on this icon at the bottom right. Then click on new group that's on top. And the first step is to add all of the contacts that you'd want to add to your group. So you can scroll through this list if you want, or else you can just search for some names and add them. So once you've selected all of the contacts you want to add, you'll see them on top. And then click on the next button that's here. After that, we have to set the group name. So we can write that on top. Then if you want to set a group icon, you can do that by clicking on the camera icon, which is here. And these are the options we have. You can take a picture, upload from your gallery, put an emoji, search the web, or create an AI-generated icon. Then you can decide if you want disappearing messages. So this means that messages will disappear after a certain period that you can decide. So if you click on this, here they have options like every 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or you can just keep this off. Then they have some group permissions if you click on this button. And here you can control the permissions of what members and admins can do. So on top they've said, so here you can decide if you want to allow members to edit group settings. So this includes the name, icon, description. So if you want to allow this, just keep it enabled. Then if you want to allow members to send new messages, then again, keep it enabled if you want to allow it. Then if members can add other members, and if members can invite people through a QR code. So that's currently disabled. So you can change all of this. And there's one option for admins, and that is if admins have to approve new members. So if you enable this, the admin must approve someone when they're joining the group. And once you're done with everything, click on the tick at the bottom right, and you can see the group is created. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.